Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious veg muffins at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh vegetables like carrots, spinach, and bell peppers. For dry ingredients, prepare 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then, combine 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 large egg for your wet ingredients. This simple preparation ensures a great start. Now, let's get our batter ready. Begin by finely chopping or grating your vegetables. This helps them distribute evenly throughout the muffins. In a large bowl, whisk together all your dry ingredients until well combined. In a separate bowl, thoroughly mix your wet ingredients. The key here is to gently fold the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix just until everything is combined, being careful not to overmix, which can lead to tough muffins. With your batter ready, it's time to add the star of the show, your vegetables. Gently fold the chopped veggies into the batter until they are evenly distributed. Next, line a muffin tin with paper liners and fill each one about 2/3 full. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the muffins for approximately 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. They will smell amazing. Once your delicious veg muffins are out of the oven, let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and makes them easier to handle. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. These savory muffins are perfect served warm as a quick snack, a light breakfast, or even a side dish with your favorite meal. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.